What do I see? A lion roaring, looking at me. Next comes a monkey, swinging high, jumping from tree to tree in the sky. Let's go on an animal adventure, come along with me. We'll roar like a lion, swing like a monkey, stomp like an elephant, buzz like a bee. Animal adventure so wild and free. In the ocean, what's swimming by? A dolphin jumps up, splashing so high. A turtle is floating, slow and calm, while the octopus waves all 8 of its arms. Let's go on an animal adventure, come along with me. We'll roar like a lion, swing like a monkey, stomp like an elephant, buzz like a bee. Animal adventure so wild and free. In the ocean, what's swimming by? A dolphin jumps up, splashing so high. A turtle is floating, slow and calm, while the octopus waves all 8 of its arms. Let's go on an animal adventure, come along with me. We'll splash like a dolphin, swim like a fish, float like a turtle, swirl and swish. Animal adventure, a magical sea. From the jungle to the ocean deep, animals are everywhere, take a peek. Fly like a bird or crawl like a bug. Give your favorite animal a great big hug. Let's go on an animal adventure, come along with me. We'll roar like a lion, buzz like a bee, stomp like an elephant, swing